Hello guys, review Infinix Smart 9, this version 3GB memory and 64GB internal memory. Start unpacking. Open box and look complectation. Device of course in the silver color. All completation. Okay. And turn on device. Okay. Open settings. We have display HD resolution IPS 6.7 inch. And open tests. Look into the benchmark results. Okay, close this. And start PUBG Mobile, look how this game works on the device. Okay, PUBG Mobile load and look graphics. Medium graphic we have. And game works good on this device. Okay, close this. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.